Hey everyone, it's Gardening with Ben here, and today we're going to be taking some cuttings from this lavender plant that we purchased. We will plant the plant once we've taken all the cuttings from it, but we've purchased it purposely to take cuttings from it, as I want lots of lavender plants on my allotment next year. So let's get this pruned and let's get all the cuttings done. As you can see, it has got flowers on it, but we don't want the bits with flowers on it. We want the bits that we can actually get cuttings from, like these little bits that are coming down from the plant, so that we can plant them in soil. So let's get it pruned and let's get all the bits off. So I've literally just snipped it all off. As I say, I've purchased this for growing cuttings, so I'm not that fussed if it doesn't grow back, but we'll pot that up and hopefully we'll get some more shoots growing on it. But yeah, we've got all these to sort out now. So we've got all the shoots taken off and we've trimmed all the flowers off the top of them. So what you need to do next is you need to take all the leaves off towards the bottom of it, so that you've got a decent stalk and it can focus in getting the roots sorted. So let's get all the leaves off. So this is like what you're wanting, so that you can easily plant that straight in some soil or pop it in some water for it to take root that way. Either way is fine, either straight in soil or in water to take root. So we've now done that. We've took all the leaves off the bottom so that we've got a stem. So let's get all these planted. We've got absolutely loads here, so hopefully we'll get a load of plants growing from this £3.50 plant, and we'll hopefully get loads of lavender growing on our allotment next year. So we've got some compost, so it's a case of just getting these stems and shoving them in. We're going to put a few in each one so that we're not wasting compost, and then when they get bigger and start taking root, then we'll put them on into separate pots. So hopefully we'll get a lot of lavender growing on this allotment. So we've got about 40 plants in this compost, so we need to give it a good water and keep it wet so that it'll take root. So we've now put them to soak in some water. These are our rose cuttings we've taken. Hopefully we'll get some rooting from them as well. So yeah, these will drink up some water, and then we'll have to keep the water topped up and hopefully take root and get 40 more plants. So if you've enjoyed this video on how to take lavender cuttings, do give us a follow, give us a like, give us a comment, and yeah, make sure you stay up to date with how well they're getting on in our weekly update videos as well, and then I'll show you how well they're doing. So thank you for watching. Until next time, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.